Hey there, gang. Hey, been a while. Right, I'm gonna try and fix a thing that I don't know how to do. I looked up a single video on how to do this. And look, I've done it. I've got the drawer out. No, but seriously, the washing machine at the back here is getting real leaky, flooding out whenever we're doing stuff. So I'm gonna try and have a look at it. I've done no DIY in my life. Having lived from rented accommodation to rented accommodation, I never really sought the time nor means to attempt anything like this before, because I didn't know what I could touch and what I couldn't. Probably one of the worst parts about living in a rented property really is just like, you know, one day you gotta move out and it's just gonna shit. Whether you're kicked out like I have been twice due to horrible reasons. Trays. Right, okay. That looks like a mess. That's horrific. If you can see that. Can you see that? Look at that. So that U-bendy thing there, that is where I'm having issues. Okay. So the thing in the top there is from the washing machine. That's coming down and just spurting out everywhere. What are the two plug sockets there? Washing machine and washing machine? Anyway, right, so I'm going to give this a go. Pull it out first. I've got a bucket. Put the bucket underneath. I did it. Okay, it's fixed now, right? Put a bucket underneath. Good job, DIY. Smashed it. Smashed it. Nah, seriously, that's a little look. Okay. Okay, so it's quite in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and undoodle. That's a word. But undoodle the U-bend. Cool. Alright. The good news is it's not that tight, so I don't know how we can. Now if we put you there, can you see anything? I can see right under that. That's not cool. I'm gonna be in the way though, so you won't be able to see anything. Just trust me, I'm doing stuff. All right, I'm doing stuff. Just stay there. Oh God, you fell down. Oh man, you have a lot to drink. You are an alcoholic. Come on now, phone. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. So I sort of think, said any U-bends like this, if it's broken, it's mostly the little seal. I don't have any spare seals, but I can clean it up and put it back on. This is awkward. None of this is cool. This ain't cool, brah. Brah. It's so wet. Okay. That's wrong way. What's the right way? Lefty Lucy? Lefty Lucy, righty tighty? I might need a wrench for this. I don't have a wrench. Yeah, it's under my nails and shit. Oh boy. Okay, I'll give it this little set. See if there's an item in here that might be useful. Nope, all small shit. Cool. Items? Do we have one? There's a tray of that. I don't think it's gonna do anything. Doot, doot. Okay. No, it's not. I didn't think it's gonna work. I tried so hard, but in the end, it didn't even matter. Oh. So I've got an interview tomorrow for Credit Control. That's pretty cool. I can finally control credit. If I get it, of course. It's going well. 10 bags? Why the fuck do you get 10 bags? Okay, we officially do not have a wrench. We have WD-40 though. So if there was a rusty thing, I could do that. I heard they apparently erode locks and stuff, and they aren't really good to use on locks and stuff, so I don't know what WD-40 is good for anymore, to be honest with you. Okay, I'm going to stick my hand back in here. I'll show you. I managed to get that one undone. Look, hang on, can you see? Can you see it? The top one here. Got this undone. It's really grimy, and there's a little seal underneath there. I need to get this one undone as well, so I can unhook this whole thing. But I can't do it because it's really awkward in an awkward position. I can't do it. Okay, sit, stay, good boy. If you hear some grunting noises, don't be alarmed. If you can hear monsters screaming, that's just Sadie in the other room playing Monster Hunter. Don't worry about that either. Cool. It's funny really, because this is just a video of me not really here at all. So if you're still watching this, kudos. Kudos. Okay. Yep, that's not bad. Cool. So now I'm going to try and yank the pipe out from the other thing and see how that goes. I don't think it's going to go well. It's really young. It's really, really long. I can't yank it out. Oh, that's so grimy. Oh, how do plumbers do this? So we thought it was a good opportunity to buy this washing machine when we moved in for £1. The washing machine and the fridge. We thought it was a really good idea. Yeah, fantastic. That's what the washing machine's full of. Yeah. And the fridge, I sit up at the back really loads because it's right next to the oven. I need that one down. I can't do anything. Yeah, that's filled with water. There's definitely a blockage down there. Right. I need a thing to ram down it. Now, if you're an experienced guy who likes to do plumbing and shit, you probably have a pipe to do this with. I do not, so I'm going to look for an alternative. hammer, that's not really it. Onions, that won't help me at all in this situation. Plastic bags, no, nothing at all. Along, use one of these wooden instruments. Okay, I'm going to use this. We can get these really easy. This is a wooden thingy. I'll shove it down there, see what happens. Okay? Best of luck. Here we go. First I'm going to shove this up here. Okay, so it's not that. I will clean that. It's not that. Yeah, I gotta get this to an angle down. I can't do that. Pipe off there. Oh, dude. That's so sick. Look at that. Oh. This is the out pipe, by the way. This is where the water comes out of. I hope it doesn't come in and out of this. Oh. No, it'd be one or the other. It wouldn't be both. Shut up. Okay, we'll just put that on the kitchen side. No. Floor. Yes, good. Okay, I think I can squeeze this down there now. Definitely a block. It's really, something's in there. Need to undo it, but I just can't. Can I tip it? Will I smash it? Will I crack it? I'm gonna try to tip it. I'm gonna try and turn it. I can't do that. The worst thing about all this? The smell. Oh. Oh man. Oh, it's so gross. It smells so bad. Oh. So I just kind of shimmied it, and it was like black. Oh, it smells even worse. Well, there's the tap. Found the main water source where you turn the tap on and off. That's really good. This is fucking annoying. Look at my hands. Look at it. Oh. You need to come on down. I'm gonna be fucking so annoyed if I don't do anything. It's so dirty. Wow, that brim. Full to the brim. Yeah, it's just blocked up. You can get new ones of these real easy. Oh man, that's so sick. Oh, dude. Okay. Poke see what happens. Good news, I don't think it's an actual leak. It might be. The base of it is only wet because I splooshed it out. Something again they don't teach you in school. They don't teach you this in school. I mean, plumbing school maybe, but nothing else. How am I supposed to do anything like this? What the fuck am I supposed to do? I need like a long wire I can push up around it and sort of like a pipe cleaner. Right. Hey.
How's it going?
It smells horrible.
It will do. If it's blocked.
Yeah. Also, look at that. That's full. That's like horrible.
That's
water.
kind of how it normally works. I don't know. You only have a little bit, but yeah, that's ridiculous.
Okay, I'm gonna end this now. I haven't been able to do anything. I'm sorry. I'm a failure. I'm gonna keep trying though. If I do it, it's a video. Haha. Cool. Bye.